What if I told you the pinnacle of track-focused street performance just got an upgrade? What if I told you that Porsche has once again pushed the boundaries of what's possible, delivering a machine that blurs the line between a road car and a purebred race car? Well, ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves, because today we're diving deep into the electrifying world of the 2026 Porsche GT3 RS. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. A symphony of engineering and a testament to relentless pursuit of speed. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss a single detail of this absolute marvel. Alright, let's talk about the star of the show, the 2026 Porsche GT3 RS. Porsche has a legacy of refining perfection, and with each new iteration of the GT3 RS, they seem to outdo themselves. This 2026 model is no exception. From every angle, this car screams performance. Just look at that front end. It's not just for aesthetics. Every vent, every line serves a purpose. The massive air intakes are designed to optimize cooling for that high-revving engine and powerful braking system. The carbon fiber hood, with its distinct vents, isn't just lightweight. It's engineered to reduce lift and improve aerodynamic efficiency. The headlights, with their intricate LED signature, give the GT3 RS an unmistakable and intimidating presence, whether it's on the track or cruising on the street. Moving to the side, the aggressive wide body is immediately apparent. Those flared wheel arches aren't just for show, they're necessary to house the wider tires, which provide unparalleled grip. The prominent side vents aren't merely decorative either. They're functional, designed to channel air for optimal brake cooling and to improve airflow along the car's flanks, reducing drag. And speaking of grip, let's talk about these wheels and tires. They are massive, lightweight, and designed for maximum contact patch. Behind them, you can clearly see the enormous brake calipers and likely carbon ceramic rotors, a must-have for a car built to handle extreme track conditions. Stopping power is just as crucial as acceleration in a machine like this, and Porsche has ensured the GT3 RS can shed speed as effectively as it gains it. Now, let's admire the rear. This is where the GT3 RS truly announces its intentions. The swan neck rear wing is not just visually striking, it's a masterpiece of aerodynamic engineering. It's massive, adjustable, and designed to generate incredible downforce, pinning the car to the tarmac at high speeds, giving you the confidence to push harder through corners. Below the wing, the aggressive rear diffuser works in conjunction with it to manage airflow under the car, creating a low-pressure zone that further enhances downforce. And of course, those central exhaust tips, a clear indication of the raw, unadulterated symphony that awaits when you fire up that engine. The rear lights are sleek and modern, integrating perfectly into the car's aggressive design. Alright, let's step inside. While the exterior screams track beast, the interior, while driver-focused, still retains a surprising level of refinement and technology. The first thing you'll notice is the steering wheel. It's a work of art, wrapped in Alcantara, perfectly contoured for optimal grip, and loaded with controls that put everything you need right at your fingertips. Notice the GT3 badging, a constant reminder of the machine you're commanding. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable, providing crucial information like revs, gear selection, and lap times in a clear, concise manner. The seats are sculpted to provide incredible support, keeping you firmly in place during aggressive cornering. While they're undoubtedly track-focused, Porsche has managed to make them surprisingly comfortable for longer drives too. The overall interior ambiance is one of focused performance, where every element contributes to the driving experience. Now let's talk about what truly sets the GT3 RS apart: its heart. While we don't have exact specs for the 2026 model in front of us, based on Porsche's history, we can confidently assume this GT3 RS will be powered by a naturally aspirated flat-six engine. This isn't just any engine. It's a masterpiece of engineering, designed to rev to exhilarating heights, delivering a linear power band and an addictive engine note that sends shivers down your spine. Expect power figures that are well over 500 horsepower, potentially pushing closer to 550 or even more, paired with a lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch transmission. This combination ensures blistering acceleration, razor-sharp gear changes, and a driving experience that is as visceral as it is precise. The GT3 RS isn't about raw, brute force. It's about usable power, delivered with surgical precision, allowing the driver to extract every ounce of performance. So, what do you think of the 2026 Porsche GT3 RS? Is it your dream track weapon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And once again, if you enjoyed this in-depth look, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Your engagement means the world to us and helps us continue to create fantastic content for you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep those engines revving, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and dream big.